So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we have got another topic to debate on. And today we are not covering theories, but we are ranking the top 8 strongest camera race peoples. Whereas I'm only including the camera race agents and I'm only taking their strongest forms. So this video is going to be super fun and you might disagree, but you can comment your opinion in comments. So let's start. So at the top 8 we've got the lucky cameraman. Now his name is pretty much self-explanatory because he's the most lucky person in the entire world yet, because not only that he is surviving from episode 1, but he's also very close to secret agent somehow, and only this point gives him too much plot armor and luck, as secret agent is just the most powerful being because he's the creator and he can control everything he has made. Now I know that everyone should know who Secret Agent is, but if you don't, he is the Dafuk Boom, the creator of the Skibidi Toilet verse. This cameraman has survived only with his plot armor, not with his abilities. So that's all I can talk about him. Now we move on to number 7. Now as on number 7, I've got the large scientist cameraman who has shown himself in the Parasite arc, where he played a huge role by helping many cameramen who were infected, and he almost cured the Titan Speaker Man with his tank. But unfortunately, Jimmy already know about this tank and he destroyed it. And of course, as you know, with the tank, the big scientist cameraman went with it. So farewell to the scientist cameraman. Now we should move on to number 6. Now at number 6, we've got a regular scientist, but he has his cyborg with him. This guy got injured in episode 49 and made his comeback in episode 54. And this is also the scientist which provided plunger cameraman with the glitch toilet. And if you talk about his abilities, he's got blades, stunning darts, or you can say anti-parasitic darts. And he also got some lasers and missiles and many more in his cyborg suit, which really helped us and himself a lot. And that's it for the scientist cameraman. Now we can move on to number 5, which is taken by the large cameraman which was shown to us in the episode 71. This cameraman is truly a legend who has survived till yet from the beginning. He was normal cameraman at first, but when he got his plasma rifle, he thought he was him and he locked in. And this resulted to him being an elite agent, and he had wiped out many Skibidi Toilets till now. He's the only large cameraman I've seen doing some things to Skibidi Toilet who are stronger than them. He also showed his bravery and fought with Titan cameraman as well. So of course this spot is well deserved for him. And with that done, we've got the number 4 spot, which is taken by Fred. Now he was also a regular large cameraman in the first episode, but when he got infected and he got cured, he had been upgrading since then. And now he's almost a mini version of Titan cameraman, whereas he has almost the same abilities but in mini version. He's got the plasma shield, the plasma gun, the plasma hammer and everything. If you talk about abilities, he's got exact same abilities as Titan cameraman but much weaker. And that makes him much stronger than the previous cameraman. If you ask, in my opinion, this isn't even a competition, because Fred is just too much powerful now. He's not only an elite agent, but he's almost a mini Titan, which makes him the 4th spot. But now we are going to enter the top 3 spot, where on the top 3 we've got the new upgraded camera Muven. Now in my opinion, she is never that strong, but after the recent upgrade, she is just a menace. She has also overpowered Fred in abilities and everything, because not only she has the plunger man's abilities, but also many more. Of course, she has got her sniper rifle, she has got the stunning darts, she also have retractable weapons, and of course her main weapons are plungers. Now of course these are in memory of plunger cameraman, and if you wanna know why that is, you can of course watch episode 73. Now not only that she has only abilities, but she has also got a very strong armor. And of course, in memory of plunger cameraman, she has also picked up his bravery. She is just a spitting image of him, and that makes her much stronger and get on the spot 3. And with that said, we are going to move on the top 2 spot, and at the top 2 spot, we have got the glitch plunger man. He first appeared in episode 63, where he showed his glitch toilet abilities and of course his plungers. Plunger cameraman has been fighting since episode 1 and he has never disappointed us. He didn't have any abilities before episode 63, but he was still fighting like a mini Titan. And of course, after episode 63, he was the most powerful cameraman, or you can say the most powerful elite agent in the series. And of course, the only exception being the Titans, he was the most powerful character at that point. He was actually so strong that he didn't even mind to attack the normal Skibidi Toilet, so he went straight for the scientist Skibidi Toilet. But of course, it was a bad idea and he got badly injured and lost his glitch toilet. If you talk about his abilities, he's got ultrasonic speed, he has his plungers as his projectiles, and mainly his speed is the only thing that can assist him in the fights. Now with that said, we move on to number 1. And of course everyone know who number 1 would be, and of course it is Titan Cameraman. Now Titan Cameraman has went through many upgrades and many things, but the strongest Titan Cameraman we have seen so far is the one we saw in episode 50. In that state he was recently upgraded and didn't have any faults, whereas now he has lost an arm and many more features. He also had his plasma gun back then, and it was even stronger than the one we saw in episode 65, which include his magnetic hands, his plasma shield and many more, which gave Titan Cameraman the ability to fight G-Man and many more Skibidi Toilets. And with that said, we have finished the ranking of strongest cameramans right there. The next video is going to be on the strongest speakerman, so stay tuned.